A complete computer guide. Hi, welcome you all in my channel. Today, I have come with the solutions of 9th BLE model questions for all class 8 students. If you have not seen the previous videos of BLE model questions, then go to YouTube and search their KD production. In which open the playlist and there you get the model questions playlist for class 8, 9 and 10. After opening that you get all the related model questions of BLE. Group A. Very short questions. 1. What is output device? A device through which information is received is called an output device. 2. What is the set of programs which makes computer work? The set of programs that makes a computer work is called the operating system, OS. 3. What is the device which displays output in printed form? The device that displays output in printed form is called a printer. 4. Write the technical term for a worldwide network of networks. The technical term for a worldwide network of networks is Internet. 5. What does CUI stand for? CUI stands for Character User Interface. 6. What does LCD stand for? LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. 7. What is cell? The intersection of a row and a column in MS Excel worksheet is called cell. 8. How many supercomputers are there in Nepal? Nepal has one supercomputer installed at Kathmandu University's IT Park in Banepa. 9. Who is known as first programmer? Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace is known as first programmer. 10. How many vacuum tubes were used in first electronic computer? In first electronic computer, ENIAC, 18,000 vacuum tubes were used. Group B. 1. What are the differences between compiler and interpreter? Here is the differences of compiler and interpreter. Compiler A. Translates the entire code at once before execution. Interpreter A. Translates and executes code line by line. Compiler B. Faster, since code is already translated. Interpreter B. Slower, translates during execution. Compiler C. Shows all errors after compilation. Interpreter C. Stops at the first error and displays it. Compiler D. Produces an executable file. Interpreter D. No separate executable, runs directly. Compiler E. Examples, C, C++, etc. Interpreter E. Examples QBasic, etc. 2. What do you mean by free and open source software? Write 4 examples of it. Free and open source software, FOSS, refers to software that is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. Examples of FOSS: A. Linux, an open source operating system used in servers, desktops, and mobile devices. B. LibreOffice, a free alternative to Microsoft Office for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. C. Mozilla Firefox, an open source web browser known for privacy and customization. D. GIMP, a free image editing software similar to Adobe Photoshop. 3. What are the objects of MS Access? Write down any 5 data types used in MS Access. The objects in MS Access are used to store, manipulate, and manage data. The objects of MS Access are tables, queries, forms, reports, and macros. 5 data types used in MS Access are text, number, memo, currency, and yes/no. 4. What is computer virus? Write safety measures from computer virus. A computer virus is a type of malicious software, malware, that, when executed, replicates itself and destroys the files, programs, etc. The safety measures from computer virus are: A. Install and regularly update a trusted antivirus program to detect and remove viruses. B. Regularly update your operating system and all installed programs to patch security vulnerabilities. C. Do not open email attachments or click on links from unknown sources. D. Only download software, apps, and files from reputable websites. A. Regularly backup important files to an external drive or cloud storage to prevent data loss. 5. What are the differences between algorithm and flowchart? Algorithm. A. A step-by-step procedure or set of rules to solve a problem. B. Written in text form using simple language or pseudocode. C. Can be harder to understand, especially for complex problems. D. Can be modified easily by changing the steps in text form. Flowchart. A. A graphical representation of an algorithm using symbols. B. Represented visually using shapes like rectangles, diamonds, and arrows. C. Easier to understand due to visual representation. D. Modifying a flowchart requires redrawing the diagram. 6. What is function? Write about any two functions supported by MS Excel. The answer of this question is already in BLE Model Questions 8. So, check it. 7. Add the binary numbers I, 110 plus 1012, 101 plus 111. I am leaving these questions for you to solve. Group C. Long questions. 1. Write an algorithm to find the sum of any 5 non-negative numbers. I. Start. 2. Initialize a variable sum is equal to 0. 3. Input 5 non-negative numbers, num1, num2, num3, num4, num5. 4. Calculate the sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4 plus num5. V. Display the value of sum. 6. Stop. B. Write a basic program to read the value in paisa and convert it into nearest rupees and paisa. CLS. Input, enter the value in paisa, A. M dollar is equal to STR dollar, A. B is equal to A 100. If B is equal to INT, B, then print Rs, B. Else C is equal to INT, B. D is equal to B, C. F dollar is equal to STR dollar, D. If write dollar, M dollar, 1 is equal to 0, then print Rs, C, paisa, write dollar, F dollar, 1, 0. Else S dollar is equal to write dollar, F dollar, 2, print Rs, C, paisa, S dollar. End if. End if. End. 2.a. What is a browser? Give any 4 examples of it. A browser, or web browser, is a software application that allows users to access, retrieve, and view information from the Internet. Examples: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Safari. B. Write an HTML code to display the following output. Thank you for watching.